Hey my friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these rollers. These are, I don't know, I think there's 10 of them in here. Too hard to count right now. Anyways, we have two cats. If you guys know, if you check out my, if you've been watching my videos for a while, and they are adorable, but as a lot of cats do, they shed some hair. And this is just kind of nice. We use a lot of these rollers just to get the lint off you. It works really well to pick stuff off. Once that's full, you can just tear this off really easy and separate that and throw it away. So we go through quite a bit of these. We don't really like cat hair anywhere, but we do love our cats. So it's kind of something you got to put up with a little bit. But with these rollers, it makes it kind of nice. And let's see, this one didn't come with a handle, I don't think. Some of them, oh wait, yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, they do. These come with a little handle thing. One thing about the handle is that sometimes if you're rolling like maybe your bed or something, this will come off this way. So what I have done with this one, this is a modified one. I just stuck a screw in there, put like a spacer here so this doesn't go down, and then just put a screw down into here, and that way it comes on from the handle down, and when you're rolling this doesn't come off. So I think you can modify these so they work a little bit better, but these ones will work decently. I just like this one better because I modified it. But anyways, these things work well. We go through a lot of them, these nice replacement rolls or whatever. I think there's quite a few sheets on here. Not sure exactly how many. It probably says. But we roll them on our beds, furniture, clothes, stuff like that. And they work quite well. So I thought I'd share. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.